Welcome back. Continuation from gravitational field. I have a question on the board. A planet has a mass m1 and it is at a distance r1 from the sun. A second planet has a mass m2 which is equals to 10 m1 and is at a distance of r2, and r2 is equals to what? 2 r1 from the sun. Determine the ratio of the gravitational forces experienced by the planets. Now this is a jam question. We are taking what? Ratio of what? Forces. The gravitational forces between the what? The first planet and the what? Second planet. It's very simple. Okay, for the first planet, gravitational force from the first planet, we are using what? Newton's law of universal gravitation, which is equals to what? That is G, mass of the Earth, mass of the Sun, mass of the planet over distance between both bodies, the square of the distance. So this is what? Force 1. This one is the mass of the first planet. This is what? The distance. Okay, now this is the first one. Call this equation 1. Okay, for the second planet, force 2 is equals to G, mass of the Sun, mass of the second planet, all over radius, distance of the second planet, this is the power of 2. Okay. Okay, but we were told in the question for what? The second planet, that what? Mass 2 is equals to what? 10 times what? Mass 1. So this is what? Gravitational constant, mass of the Sun remain the same. Then mass 2 is equals to what? Let's put it, let's say 10 m1. That's what? 10 m1 all over what? The distance. Distance is what? 2 times what? r1, which is what? 2 times what? r1 raised to the power of what? 2. Then we simplify this. We'll have that what? Gravitational force experienced on the second planet is equal to what? No, let's say this is 10 g m1 over, this will give us 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? 4 r1 square. Okay, now is where what? Simplified. Additional, we call this what? Equation 2. Okay, we are taking the ratio. To take ratio is very simple. You just do the what? The division. Ratio of the what? First planet, ratio the second one will be equals to, so that is G m1 over what? r1 squared divided by the second one, which is what? 10 g m1 over what? This is what? 4 r1 squared. Okay, we change this sign to what? Multiplication. And then we take the inverse of the what? Divider. So therefore, we have it like this. F1 ratio F2 is equals to, this is G m1 all over r1 squared times taking the inverse 4 r1 squared over, this is what? 10 g m1. Okay. Alright, we just do a normal cancellation. Gravitational constant, mass of the Sun, m1 cancel out. Okay, the distance are the same, so they cancel out. So therefore, the forces is going to be equals to what is left at, this is what? 4 over 10. So I can say 2 going to 4, this is what? 2. 2 going to 10, this is what? 5. So the ratio of their forces is equals to what? 2:5. So that's the answer. It's an objective question and the answer is what? B. It's a jump question. Very simple. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this episode. Please make sure you hit the follow button. If you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is Favorite Tutor. Thank you, and God bless you.